Hello my dear sons and daughters. Today we are going to discuss a revision paper for grade 7. So you can do the paper before I am doing the discussion. First question. Draw all the axes of symmetry of the given figure. You are given an equilateral triangle here. So how to draw the axis of symmetry here? This is the way you are drawing. This is one axis, this is another one, and this is another axis. All the axes intersect at the middle point like this. Then second question, what type of angle is 135 degrees? This is an obtuse angle. If you remember all the types of angles, the smallest one is the acute angle, that is less than 90 degrees. Then the right angle value is 90 degrees. Then the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Then the straight angle, then the reflex angle greater than 180 degrees. Then third question, find the value of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. The answer will be 0 because the two magnitudes are equal and the two signs are different signs here. Then question number 4, add 1.2 plus 3.45. When you are adding or subtracting decimal numbers, you have to write the decimal point one below the other like this. In the first decimal place is one below the other, second decimal place is also one below the other. Now you can add the two numbers 5, then here 6, 4. 4.65 is the answer. Question number 5. The diagram shows how small cubes of each of edge 1 centimeter are placed to make a solid. Find the volume of the solid. In one cube, the volume will be 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cubic centimeters. So there are 7 such cubes used to make this solid. So the volume of the this created solid will be 7 cubic centimeters. That is the answer. Question number 6. Mark the statements which represent a set using 3 from the statements given below. Long rivers in the world. That is not a set. We can't we can't mention the long rivers. That is not a set. Then second one, prime numbers between 1 and 10. We can't tell the elements of the set exactly, that is a set. Then colors of the rainbow, that is also a set. So question number 2 and 3 are the answers here. 2 and 3 are the answers for a set. Then question number 7. In the circle shown in the diagram, name the center. Then the diameter. What is the center here? Center is O. Then the diameter is AB. Question number 8. Express 0.25 as a percentage. If you want to convert a decimal number or a fraction to a percentage, you can multiply it by 100%. So 0.25 multiplying by 100%. Then here decimal point goes 2 places to the right side. The answer will be 25%. Then question number 9. If the symbol represents 8 books in the picture graph drawn to represent the number of books distributed to the students in grade 7, find the number of books represented by 3 symbols and then 3/4 of the symbols. So if one symbol represents 8 books, 1 represents 8 books. Then half of it represents 4 books. Then quarter of it 2 books. Then 3/4 represents 3 times this, so 6. So what is the value represented by 3 and 3/4? 3 symbols and 3/4. 3 into 8, 24 plus 6, that is 30. Question number 10. Find the perimeter of a hexagon which is constructed by using the equilateral triangle given below. You can create a hexagon like this. This is the hexagon you can create by using equilateral triangles. So all the sides are equal in this. Then one side is 6 centimeters. The perimeter of this, how many sides are there? 6 sides. So the perimeter equal to 6 multiplied by 6. That is 36 centimeters. Question number 11. Write all the outcomes obtained when tossing a coin. When tossing a coin, obtaining head and obtaining tail are the 2 outcomes. Obtaining head, then obtaining tail. Then question number 12. 125 is written in index form as there are given blanks. Write suitable numbers for the blank cages. 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So these are the base and the index here. Question number 13. Express 1/4 as an improper fraction. 1/4. To convert this into improper fraction, the denominator remains unchanged. Then the numerator is obtained by 4 into 1. Multiplying the whole number by the denominator and adding the numerator. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is the answer. Question number 14. If x equals 2 and y equals 4, find the value of 3x squared y. Question number 14. X equals 2, y equals 4. We are given the expression 3x squared y. We will substitute the given values. 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 2 to the power 2 is 4. So the answer will be 48. Question number 15. If 10 bottles of each capacity 750 milliliters were filled from a water vessel which contains 40 liters, find the remaining amount of water in the vessel. First we can find the volume in 10 bottles. Volume in 10 bottles, that is equal to 750 milliliters multiplied by 10. That is 7500 milliliters. That is equal to 7 liter 500 milliliter. So how to find the remaining amount now? 40 liters. We'll write liters and milliliters. 40 liter minus 7 liter 500 milliliter. Now we'll take 1 liter to this milliliter side. Then 1000 minus 500 is 500. Then the remaining is 39. 39 minus 7, 2. 32. 32 liters, 500 milliliters is the answer here. Question number 16. Solve. You are given a simple equation. 2x minus 1 equal to 5. First you have to remove this minus 1. For that you have to add 1 to both sides. 2x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Then minus 1 and plus 1 is removed. 2x equal to 6. Then divide both sides by 2. That is x equal to 3. Question number 17. Simplify. 9 minus 2 into 4. The first operation that you have to perform here is the multiplication. So 9 minus 8. Then the subtraction. 1 is the answer here. Then 18. Express 1 hour and 30 minutes as a ratio. 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So you can write it as a ratio as 60. 60 into 30. 60. 60 is to 30. 60 is to 30. Now you can divide by 30. Then 2 is to 1 is the answer. Question number 19. Find the highest common factor of 6 and 8. 6. You can write 6 as 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1. Then 8 as 2 to the power 3. Now we will take to take the HCF, we have to take the highest powers. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. Here 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8 times 3 is 24 is the HCF here. 20th one, last one. Name the pair of parallel lines in the trapezium given below. The parallel lines here are AB and DC. You can write it as AB parallel to DC. Question number 1. The information collected about the number of students in the parallel classes of grade 7 in Veera Mahavidyalaya is given in the table below. In the table we are given some information. An incomplete multiple column graph drawn to complete the above information is given below. First question, complete the multiple column graph. For 7A they have marked the information. For 7B we have 16 girls and 16 boys. First we will denote that 16 girls and 16 boys. The first bar is for boys because this symbol denotes boys and this one for girls. The same values. Then for 7C. 7C, first you have to mark boys. 7C we have 20 boys. 20 boys and 24 girls. Then for 7D, 12 boys and 8 girls. 12 boys. 12 boys and 8 girls. This is for 7D. This is the way you are marking that. Then second question, which class has the most number of students? Which class has the most number of students? 7C is the maximum values. So 7C for question number 2. Third one. How many girls in total are there in all 4 classes? How many girls in total? For that you have to add the sum of the girls. 20 plus 16 plus 24 plus, we will write it one below the others. 20 plus 16 plus 24 plus 8. 10, 18, 1 is remaining, 60. 68 is the answer. Question number 4. The students in grade 7D study subjects in English medium and 300 exercise books were given to distribute among them. If these books are distributed among them equally, find the number of books received by each student. In 7D we have 20 students. So 300 should be divided by 20 to find the amount received by one student. That is 15. 15 goes to one student. Express the number of girls in 7B as a percentage of the total number of students in that class. Number of girls in 7B. 7B we have 16. The total is 32. So you have to give it as a percentage. This can be written as 1 over 2. Then that is equal to 50%. That is the answer. Second question. Draw a Cartesian plane marking the numbers from 0 to 7 along both x and y axes. First we will do that. X axis, then y axis, 0 to 7. Mark the following points on it and join them in order to obtain a rectilinear closed plane figure. A 2, 2. So this is A. Then B 2, 7. B 2, 7. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 7 here. B. Then C 7, 2. 7, 2 here. So you have to join the 3 points like this. Then question number 3, write the name of the figure you obtained. This is a triangle. For question number 3, answer is triangle. Then question number 4, write the special names used for this figure. A according to the sides, B according to the angles. According to the sides. Here this distance is 2 to 7. Then this one also from 2 to 7. So these distances are same. So this is an isosceles triangle because if in a triangle 2 sides are equal in length, we call it an isosceles triangle. First answer, isosceles. Then B, according to the angles. This angle is a right angle. This is parallel to the x-axis and this line is parallel to the y-axis. Because of that, this is a right angle. So this is a right angle triangle. Then section number 5, write the coordinates of a point inside this figure in which the x coordinate is greater than its y coordinate. X coordinate is greater than its y coordinate. We will take a point like this here, 5, 3. If you select this one, x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 3. X coordinate is greater than y coordinate. You can select any point which satisfies this condition. So I am taking this point 5, 3. Question number 3. A part. Name 2 regular polygons which can be used to create pure tessellations. For pure tessellations, we can use the regular polygons, equilateral triangle, then square and regular hexagon. Then question number 2, you have to create a semi-pure tessellation by using any two suitable plane figures. You can do it. Then third question, what is the sum of the angles around the vertex point in a tessellation created using rectilinear plane figures? The sum of the angles around the vertex point should be 360 degrees. Then B part, first question, draw a concave polygon with 6 sides. Concave polygon. You can draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. This is 1. Then second question. These 3 statements about plane figure shown in the diagram are given below. If the statements are correct, mark 3, and if the statements incorrect, mark 5. Answer A. It is a convex polygon. This is a convex polygon, that is correct. Then it is a concave polygon, that's wrong. It's a regular polygon. This is not a regular polygon because though all the sides are equal in length, all the angles are not given as equal in magnitude. So we can't take it as a regular polygon. Only A statement is correct here. Question number 4. You are given a net of a solid. A part, what is the solid that can be made by using the above net? The square pyramid is the answer. Question number 4. A part, first question, the answer is square pyramid. Then second one, what is the use of the shaded parts? Here the shaded parts are the pasting allowances. So by using that, we are connecting the faces by pasting them together to paste. So the answer is connect the faces. By pasting. Then question number 3. Write the number of faces, vertices and edges in the solid. Number of faces is 5 here. 5 faces. Then number of vertices also 5. Then number of edges equal to 8. Then question number 4. Show that the above values satisfy the Euler's relationship. In Euler's relationship, we have number of vertices plus number of faces. Number of vertices plus number of faces equal to number of edges plus 2. So we substitute the given values here. Number of vertices is 5, then edges 5, faces 5. Number of edges 8 plus 2. Then this satisfied. The Euler's relationship is satisfied. So we can tell that. Then question number 5. Write the number of faces of the solid which is made by coinciding and pasting the square faces of the two identical solids that you mentioned above. By pasting the square faces of the two identical shapes. Number of faces will be 8 then. That is called the octahedron. Number of faces will be 8. Then sixth one. Name the plane figures marked as P and Q in the above net. P is a square. Q is a triangle. Q is the triangle here. Q should be an equilateral triangle actually. This should be an equilateral triangle.